divergent boundaries. With divergent boundaries, the plates move apart. The reason for the plates moving apart is because of the convection currents, which are located here, here, and pretty much all right around here. Convection currents makes the magma boil, which makes it rise and form a new crust or plate right here, and pushes these two apart. Also, for this, an example of it is in the African Rift Valley, right here, or the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which is right here. Very lightly, you can see the ridge right along here. It goes all over the world. It goes through some little islands and stuff. Transformative boundary. The plates slide past each other. Also, they can either go opposite sides, like right here, or they can go in the exact same direction, but at different speeds. All of this is due to the magma below boiling because of convection currents, which makes it, move. And it causes earthquakes. Rumble, rumble, rumble. And an example of this is the San Andreas Fault. The reason why it's like that is because of these plates moving, either together at different speeds or past each other. Conversion boundary, continental, continental. Both continental plates collide, and one of them overlaps the other. This one sinks down below, and this one goes on top, which this one right here will get recycled. Yeah, even the earth recycles. Now, the reason for this is because of the convection currents. They boil over. The magma right here boils over, and then it will cause this to happen. An example of this is the Himalaya Mountains right here, which is pretty much Nepal and a little bit of India and China. And they also cause earthquakes. Conversion boundary, continental, oceanic. The plates move together, of course. And for this, the oceanic plate actually goes beneath, which equals subduction. Subduction happens because of the older one right here is heavier than this one here. All has to do to density. This one right here is older than this one, so the older one sinks below the other one. And also another reason is because of convection currents, which make this move over because of the magma over here and underneath it. Also, it causes volcano and earthquakes, and an example of it is this mountain range right here. It's in South America. I forgot the name of it. So, yeah. Convergent boundaries. Part 3 equals oceanic, oceanic. Oceanic plates move together, which equals subduction. Subduction is formed because of density. Density equals the older one, which is this one right here, going under the newer one, which is right here, and makes this one go on top. It causes tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanoes. Another thing that it causes is island forming. And an example of an island is Japan, which is my favorite island. Okay, something totally different than the other ones is layers of the Earth: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. The crust is 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit and is 25 miles thick. The mantle is 1,600 to 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit and is 1,800 miles thick. The outer core is 4,000 to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit and is 1,400 miles thick. The inner core may reach 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit and is 800 miles thick. This is an example that I drew, which is not very good. Here's the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Another example, which I got here, is the inner core, the outer core, the mantle, and the crust. Finally, you get to know who I am. My name is Jayde Miller, and I made this for my science class. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Okay, thank you for listening to my very long and very annoying thing.